Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I don't know if you've been to Harbor Freight lately, but they have a brand that they're selling called Badlands. They sell winches. They've started to sell recovery gear. They sell off-road jacks, which are really cool. I did a video on that. You should go and search for it and check it out. It's an off-road jack that they sell. It's like $300. So it's a smoking deal compared to the others out there. And it has lots of features. So check out my video on that. Anyways, I got some of these things right here from Harbor Freight. This is the Badlands soft shackle. I should probably get another one of these to have two. That doubles the length so you can get it around A-arms and whatever on your truck without damaging anything. And this has a 9,500 pound load rating. It's a 7/16 rope diameter. It works really good. In place of a steel shackle or D-ring or whatever you want to call them. I also got a couple of these right here. This is the Badlands 3/4 inch shackle. This is a 18,000 pound working capacity. I don't really know what that means, but this thing is really heavy. So, it's pretty decent. I got two of those. And then I got the Badlands 4-inch wide by 8-foot tree strap. Now, I don't have a winch. I don't know that I'll be needing to strap to some tree for some reason, unless I'm keeping my truck from floating away. But this right here, what I use it for is I have two D-rings on the front, or steel shackles on the front of my truck. I'll connect this. Let me show it to you. It's just basically like a giant toe strap, which I have a regular toe strap as well. And but basically you've got a loop. It's 8 foot, and you have a loop at each end, like this. So I could connect those to the D-ring, to the D-rings on my front bumper, to these. I have two that connect to the chassis. And this part right here, I'd use my kinetic recovery rope. And I just, before I connected it all up, I would just thread it on like that. So it would be pulling evenly from the front of the chassis. So that's just something to think about on how you're going to recover your vehicle, what you're going to hook to. I've already got it planned out in my head. I'll probably never get stuck now, knock on wood. So basically, I would take my rope. I have threaded it onto this. And basically, this would go to one D-ring. Over here, just like that. Let's just play like this is the front of my truck, but it's out in the bright sun, so I'm not going to film it. To that. And this one here would be here, and it would go to that. And then right here, as you can see, it would pull from the center. And that would keep the, I guess, the distribution of energy equal on the front of my vehicle to pull it out. This would, I just think it just makes sense to me to do it this way. But, it just depends on how and what kind of a hurry I am. Maybe you connect this to your A-arm, one of these soft shackles. It just depends on how you're stuck. But I wanted to share these with you. The Badlands has really made some good quality recovery gear. I wish they would make recovery boards or some sort of storage for recovery boards. I also wish they would make kinetic ropes. I think everybody with an RV, everybody with a two-wheel drive truck or anything should have this in their truck so they can get pulled out if they get stuck. RVs get stuck all the time after it rains at these wet and soggy campgrounds. Everybody should have a kinetic rope, a couple of D-rings or soft shackles. But anyways, I just wanted to share these with you. Again, these are great quality, heavy-duty steel. They're a great price. If something happens, you can take it back to your local Harbor Freight. So, think about that. And, I didn't pick all these up at the same time. I've been saving my money and picking these up as I can. Excited about my kinetic rope and the Badlands tree strap, which has many uses. So, and it's real good quality too. I mean, you can see the way they stitched it all. It's like they really did a great job. This is Badlands, I mean, it's really great stuff. So anyways, I wanted to share that with you. If you would, please subscribe. I got more videos coming your way. I'm going to share some things with you. And, you know, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, ring that bell if you want to know when I release a new video or a YouTube short or whatever. And I will see you next time. See ya.